you're going to need 3 cups of chocolate chips, and if they spill like ours did, just reverse time for a fast, effective cleanup.
We want 1 can of sweetened condensed milk. Hey yo, is this stuff even like in date? Oh, I think it's, yep, 20. We're good! Crisis averted. 1/4 of a cup of butter. Okay, now we're gonna take this mixture, put it in the microwave for 3 minutes, stirring occasionally. Insta stir. This goes back on top, and we go back into here for more time. That's what we do. Big enough to where this stuff can lay out evenly. Ouch, that thing kind of got a little hot, but it's okay. Stir it again.
That's so disgusting.
Chop up the walnuts.
Not
Chop
the
up
walnuts, the pecans.
The pecans, I'm editing it out anyway, so it doesn't matter. Take this junk out for the final time. Pour this.
No, wait. Stir.
This ain't rocket science. Pour that junk down into that pan, and then go ahead and spread it out. By the time you get done, the junk should look like this. Now we put it in the refrigerator until it sets.
I bet I know exactly who did it.